Here's a great shortcut for this busy time of year for teachers. This is an art activity that requires zero prep. Go to Art for Kids Hub on YouTube, choose a video of something that you want your students to draw. So what I did is I played the video once through and I had the students watch it. Then I handed out the paper and they got out their pencils and erasers and Sharpies. And I also have some extra Sharpies in case they don't have one. Then we watched the video again all the way through and we paused it when students needed a few more minutes to get caught up to the video. I also did the picture on the board beside the video so that it would be there for them to refer to if they were at a different stage than where we were at on the video. And the students had a really fun time drawing these monsters, which are a folding surprise.
Cute. Scary.
Or the ice cream cones that open up to have a double or triple or quadruple scoop. The kids, when they came in this morning, they had a fun time going over to the bulletin board and pulling up all the monsters or the ice cream cones to see how their projects turned out. This is also an activity that I can turn into a Father's Day card, something like, here's the scoop, and then a message for Dad inside, or it could be a thank you card, here's the scoop, we appreciate you, or for the monsters, we might say something like,
thank you for helping us stay safe during this scary time.
There's hundreds of activities that you can find online, and the person who does the tutorials, the artist, has one of his 4 kids working with him side by side, so the students get to see the professional doing it as well as the example of a child doing it as well. I found this to be really fun, super easy, the kids loved it, and I really like how it helps them to practice attention to detail and taking their time and slowing down and creating a product at the end that they can be really proud of.